Yeah, so that's the video about my low income apartment here. That's what this is. This is low income. This is based on your income. So if you make chump change money, you get you one of these right here. Now they work with people, but the thing is, I'm gonna put it to you like this here. They let anybody in these joints. Yeah, I mean anybody. So anybody get up in here, but the bad part is when you get up in here, you got to deal with stuff. Rip raff coming in, out the building, kids, tying up shit. That's bad. That's bad business right there. And my thing is, now this goes out to everybody that's in low income or in project bills. I've always wanted this, even when I was a kid. Why do you want to tie up stuff where you stay? I don't get it. Help me understand. Like, what's the problem? Why do you want to sit there and just tie up stuff where you live? You got to live here and you want to tie it up. I want my shit to look good. You know what I'm saying? Excuse the language. But I want my stuff to look good. I don't want my stuff tore all up. Screens and stuff coming all out my window. I might want to open that window and let some air in. Can't do that without a screen. Because you open that window with no screen, all type of bugs gonna be inside your house. You don't want that problem. So just chill out. Stop tying up where you rest at. You got the rest there. Why tie it up? That should be the cleanest place in the world. Where you stay. I don't want nothing tore up where I stay at. I want my house looking beautiful. Now, if I got to live here, it better look good at all times. But we got a problem. And trust me, I'm the type. I just like stuff clean. Like you saw my house is a little clutter, and that shit gets on my nerve every day. When I see clutter, I don't like it. I like stuff neatly. Even if it's clutter, it needs to be neat. So if it's neat clutter, I don't care. But if it's just clutter all over the goddamn place, dust and stuff, I don't like dust. I don't like none of this stuff. I dust damn near all the time because I can't stand that. I don't like it. I don't like fingerprints touching my TV, my phone. I don't want to see a fingerprint. That's gonna piss me off. I'm gonna get angry. That's just how I am. That's just me. So floors got to be clean. That's why I mop my floor. They got to be clean. I don't like dirt. Then I vacuum almost all the time when I can. I can't stand dirt. It's just not me. I don't like it. It's just that ain't my style. I don't like stuff like that. It got to be clean. So if it ain't clean, it ain't me. That's not the Spida-Web way. Spida-Web like to be clean. This Spida-Web like to be clean. I don't know about no other people that call themselves Spida-Web, but I'm gonna tell y'all like this, yeah. I might not be the first Spida-Web. I probably am the first Spida-Web. There's a lot of other people out there that stole my name, but I'm gonna leave that alone. That's what they don't know. This name comes from a long time ago, and that's why I use it a lot. The name is so raw that it's tatted on me as well, but it's in Japanese, right? So that's my name, you know what I'm saying? And I'm sticking to it. I've been a Spida-Web for a long time. That's why I probably the first YouTuber with the name Spida-Web, and there's no number or nothing behind my name. There's a reason for that, because I'm the first. That's why. Everybody else probably thinking of Spider-Man or something, calling themselves that. Spida-Web is something I came up with. There's a reason why I came up with that name. But we ain't gonna get into that right now. But Spida-Web is a name that ain't going nowhere. and be looking for that name coming soon, real soon. And it's gonna be the best name you ever heard. And I ain't talking about no rap stuff, because as you can see, the gray beard, why would I be a rapper? I'm just gonna put that out there. Do it look like I'm finna freestyle? Do it look like I'm finna spit 16 bars? No, I ain't doing none of that. I'm too old, for one thing, to be trying to be a rapper. And there's a lot of cats out here that still trying to do it. Let me tell y'all something. If you in your 40s, hell, if you in your 30s, cut it out. The rap career is done. Your rap career was over with when you're 20. Once you hit 29, you done right there. Over with, you ain't went nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. Simple as that. The rap game ain't how it used to be. You know what I'm saying? So these rappers that think that they can flow, man, flow to yourself, bro. You know what I'm saying? Better yet, make you a YouTube, how can I put this? Make you a YouTube song and let that be your song for your content. Like every time your channel come on, that's your own personal song that you play for yourself. Keep it like that. Don't be on here trying to make no money. Well, I'm a rapper. Sit your ass down. I'm just being honest with you. Sit down. Cause that ain't it. You can't be no rapper. You done. I'm just keeping it real with you. Your career was over with once you hit that 2 and that 9. Done deal. You cannot be a rapper. Then again, you probably could. The way this trash that's out right now, you can rap about anything and rap about your shoelace or something. It might be a hit. You don't know what might happen. Put it on TikTok. If TikTok make it a hit, man, you in there. You get 1,000,000 views off of it, you in there. You went viral. That's all you need to go viral on TikTok. Make a dumbass song, you in there. But on YouTube, don't do it. Because you ain't going viral on here with no trash. You might get talked about real bad. People gonna do some reaction videos to your stuff. And it ain't gonna be good. I'm just gonna put it out there. It's gonna be some bad stuff. You know what I'm saying? And to the women out here that got 4, 5, 6 kids, I'm finna split some game to you right now. There's one in particular, I ain't gonna say your name, because you a popular YouTuber. I ain't gonna even diss you like that. I ain't dissing y'all at all. But if you got 4, 5 kids, and you got stuff going on in your house, everything ain't for YouTube. I'm just being honest with you. It ain't for YouTube. So don't get on here showing your crib and you got stuff going on that you go have CPS getting in your business. You don't want CPS in your business, yo. That's just straight up. Because once they get in your business, they in your business for the rest of your life till that kid turn 18 and move out. Simple as that. So you have to be careful what you're doing. And if this YouTuber watching there, ain't no pun against you. You cool as hell. I watch your videos all the time. I'm not saying your name on purpose. But other people probably know who I'm talking about. Now, I watched you go through some stuff. And take a seat back and just chill, you know what I'm saying? And I watched a couple of YouTubers, car content YouTubers. I'm gonna tell y'all too, don't let nobody discourage you about what you doing. Do your thing, you know what I'm saying? I go to car YouTubers, regular YouTubers like me, small content creators like me. Do your thing. Don't let nobody discourage you, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had nobody discourage me yet. I ain't had no negative content. I ain't had no views or nothing on it. Except the 5. Somebody did say something. And I listened. They told me I should get a mic so people can hear me. I got a mic. You know what I'm saying? That don't mean you gonna hear me because I don't talk loud. I'm not a loud talker. I talk smooth, content voice, you know what I'm saying? My voice raspy, and it is what it is. But that's just me, you know what I'm saying? But y'all gonna get a lot more content like this where I just speak my mind and talk about what I want to talk about anytime I want to talk about it. That's just me. That's just what I do. But I gave y'all a snippet of the crib. Tomorrow we get y'all more because I'll be outside early. I got some stuff to take care of in the morning. And I'll be outside a little early. And I'm going to show y'all how this complex look. I'm going to drive around this joint and show y'all how it looks when you ride around. And you go see it. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people be calling stuff like this projects. Where I'm from, this ain't even close to a project. I'm just being honest with you. Projects is high rise. Stuff like this is not a project. It's just a row house or apartment complex to me. It's not a if it's not a high rise, not a project. That's just me. That's just what I see. You know what I'm saying? I've seen it growing up. I mentioned all my buildings that I was going to see people in and that I lived in. All you gotta do is look it up. Look up Cabrini O'Grady, Cabrini Green Housing Project, Chicago, Illinois. That's where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of them cats that don't take no mess from nobody. Like they say, all these little young cats out here using guns. Well, I don't care about your gun. The first thing I'm gonna say, have it cocked and ready. Because if it ain't cocked and ready, I feel for you and your gun. Because I'm gonna take it and whoop your ass with it. That's just real content right there. Just let y'all know how I am in real life. Don't pull no pistol if you ain't gonna use it. And these little young cats out here, they quick to pull some because they can't fight. I can. That's what the difference is at. Even though old as I am now, don't get it twisted. You will not defeat me. And I'm letting you know that right now. So when y'all try to pull it, scary cats out there that use pistols, I got a word for that. I ain't gonna say it right now because I don't want YouTube to ban me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I ain't the one to mess with. And I had a lot of people try me. I bet they don't try me no more. And that's just real talk. Nobody tries me now. Nobody. Because I ain't the one to play with it. I'm the wrong person to come at. Now you can try it. You gonna get dealt with. That's just how it is. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyway, that's the end of my video. So we'll leave y'all with this word of encouragement. The word of encouragement is stay consistent to whatever you do. Like my son over here, he's staying consistent to eating them chips. See how consistent he is? He eating chip after chip. That's consistency right there. That's what you want to do. You want to be consistent to whatever you do. And that is, if you're a writer, be consistent with your style of writing. If you draw, be consistent with that drawing. Draw every day, even if you master it. You know what I'm saying? I don't draw every day like I used to, but there's so much stuff in my head that I got to start putting that stuff on paper. I have to do it or I lose it. And I got a lot in my head right now. And that might be my new content. But I have to set a certain way I have to do it. And I know how to do it. So I'm going to sit back, study, then I'm going to get back with y'all on that. Until then, well, till tomorrow, because I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. I'm going to show y'all this complex and everything. But until tomorrow, we out of this joint. Peace.